Kind of gives me like fireside, warm leather, writing poetry, but also would work really well for patio cigars, summer barbecues. You get that really nice balance of sort of the tequila and the citrus, but also it's got a weight and a depth that makes it really lovely for sort of the winter time as well. Perfect for really March in Minnesota. So let's go shopping. All right, first for our Smoky Poet cocktail, we are going to use La Gritona Tequila. It's a Reposado, one of my favorites that we carry. Super smooth, lots of beautiful kind of vanilla and cooked agave notes. It really has a silkiness and smoothness that is wonderful on its own or in cocktails like the one we're making today. The smoky part of our Smoky Poet, Mezcal. This one really brings a lovely earthiness, nice smokiness, which is going to come through beautifully and be an essential component of our Smoky Poet. Next, we've got the Cap Corse. This is an aperitif blanc. It's a white wine aperitif that's made in Corsica, and it's gonna add a lot of minerality, a really nice acidity. Next, we're gonna go to the Italian Alps, and we have the Genepi. And this is gonna be an herbal liqueur. It adds sweetness, it has a lot of lovely herbal notes to it, and even in a small amount is going to really add depth to our cocktail. Lastly, Benedictine, made in France. 27 different herbs and botanicals from a secret recipe that dates back to 1510. It'll add kind of a honeyed sweetness, a little bit of orange peel, and again, a lot of fun notes and a great addition to our cocktail. I will show you how to create our Smoky Poet, inspired by the dead poet cocktail. Inspired by a dead poet. 1 ounce of herbal tequila, 1/2 ounce Cap Corse, 1/2 ounce Mezcal, so you can smell that smoke, 1/4 ounce Benedictine. What if I just like totally missed? Whoops. 1/4 ounce Genepi, 1 ounce lime juice, ice, rocks glass with a large ice cube or sphere, 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. That I did totally miss. A little stir. We've got all the things in there. And garnish with a lime twist. Here we go. And that is how you make a Smoky Poet.